Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer and we've had a lovely customer come in from Sheffield, Paul, and he's brought his RM Williams in for a repair. This is the sole that they had on, that solid rubber sole there, look. Really super hard wearing, but a little bit crude, a little bit, you know, sure it's going to last, it's going to be a sole that does you, I don't know, 10 years or so. It looks like Paul's had this a while, not taken a lot of wear into it really, but he just wanted it changing up a little bit. So there's the boot, had a bit of Shoe Healer magic on there, and look at that with the how nice does that look, natural edge on there. That's the boots there. Fortunately they've got a little bit of a battle scar here, but it's nothing. Little bit of patina, how nice is that? And edges left natural. So we've gone from this solid rubber heel there, look, solid rubber heel stack, and now we've got that beautiful leather heel stack, Commando heel on there. Stunning. Paul, he's not to look at, but he does a good repair. This is a pair of Grensons, obviously made in India. It's the Rose collection with the red insole. When they came in, had this, I like this sole, I've got to say, I really like this sole. Soft leather sole. Paul's nicked all the stitches on top, pulled the sole off. This is the filler that was in there, it now has cork filler in there. You can see where the shank was, look, you know, Paul will have put a willow shank in there now. And this is the boot now with the same sole on, the same Commando. How nice is that? And it's give it some weight, makes it feel substantial. Okay, and you can actually see here where Paul's machined the tread pattern down so he can get onto that stitch track to stitch that on. But that has gone together beautiful, made a really nice repair. Here's the man himself. Take a bow, done another lovely job.
I do try.
You've come in on, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bit of a transformation, that one, isn't it?
It did, just lovely that, yeah.
White stitching as well, I thought it took it on my own back.
Yeah, good lad, well done.
Tell me off later if I've done it wrong.
Thank you. I think, oh, just these here, look, our customer from Paul, he's had a new pair of triggers, and we've just machined the edge off and then stained it up so you can see those lovely heel lifts in there. How nice does that look? Oh, gosh, lovely. That's it. I don't think there's anything else to say. That's just a quick little video. Well done.
Here, Shoe Healer.
Yeah, at the Shoe Healer in Doncaster.